go to a place where we can relax. And I realize that being in work is not easy at all. It's my expectation that uh, when I was a student, I don't want to, to class anymore just because it's so stressed. But today I realized that it's not good at all in the work. Napakahirap pala talaga. And that's what's my realization about life. And today I will teach you the truth about life, that uh, it's not about it's not about the money. It's about the value yourself. Like, you need to improve yourself before you need to go, and you need to fight those challenges that give us realization or learnings. And I don't care